Halor ka Jingkynnoh baki Briew na ka jala Meghalaya kilong ki Pynrem Briew kamtam ya kinong wan jungo kai parthai ka jala na ki wipat ki Briew hapo kari India kiladon ki kato kadne ki basngau shong ser ban wan ban lai ka jala Meghalaya halor ka Jingshah Pynïap Briew na kinong wan jungo kai parthai o Raja Raghuvanshi kunta hadin ka jingyo kem ya ki badan kti ya kinong le dusman ki ba umdi na ka jala Meghalaya Nakaliang sembut Menteri Rambak ke Jala ba Presiden Tensong menta kesengi haba jengkeran syakilat pathai kubor kari India ula ong bakalong ke bakta hadu kata-kata ya ke sorkar Jala ya ke Jingkynnoh ba ke Jala Meghalaya kadai ke Krem Jong ke Jingshah Pynïap Briew kalong ke babakla nama ki Briew kim tip kim sngau thu ya ke Jingshisha ke Jingkynnoh katkum ke Jinglap Jingsham ba ki yo ya ki Jingithu ki babakla ke Jala Meghalaya kalong ke baskan ya kinong wan jungo kai parthai haba ki wan shishu ula benrabro ba ke tanat pulit ke Jala Meghalaya kadai kawi na ki bah khamat ki pulit ki bah kari India ki batrestom ki ba pendap hok ya laki kamram wala don bun ki Jingkynnoh Henry ki don shubun ba man la kesngi ki turis ki bawan ki balai hapo ke Jala Meghalaya.
Will you find any defamation case?
Yes, that is very good, very good question. See, from the government side, we were so deeply hurt when we saw so many comments made in the social media, in the national news, treated Meghalaya as a den of criminals. So it's really hurt for us, but I just personally take it that okay, maybe out of emotion, out of desperation, maybe they could not control themselves, then maybe they just talk without any sense at all. But let me tell you one thing, we have already told you also, Meghalaya is very safe. Our police force also is one of the best in the country. I think you have seen it, we have proved it. And not only that, I think you remember it correctly, I think 15, 20 years down the line back, you knew it, the militancy, how we handle things. Our police is one of the best. I'm telling you, we don't need army. We don't need any forces from the central government. But we handle it ourselves. I think you have seen it, the history. So therefore, what I would like to appeal to every peasant in India or outside India, please don't take this news, be it in the social media or in the mainstream of national news and state news, because it is not at all a fact, and Meghalaya is safe. And right now also, I should say, the tourists are flowing into Meghalaya on daily basis, and I'm very sure through this operation, the successful operation made by our police force, will further encourage others to again keep visiting Meghalaya and Shillong. We will see how to go about it, because right now, as I said to you, please don't come to any conclusion since the real investigation has just started.
I just want to add to sir. There are certain people who actually out of this event have actually given very hurtful statements, communal statements against the local people out here. We have taken that into cognizance, because there are people from here who are studying outside also. Some people said, let us harm the community from here which is outside. I would like to tell you that we have taken a sumoto case against that person. Another FIR also has come against people who have given false propaganda. I urge, in fact, at this juncture, when we got this, in fact, from the day one only, the narrative from the complainant, from other media also from outside, was that it is that Meghalaya police and the district police was not doing anything. But steadfastly, we did our work. We did our work from day one, searching and investigation also. And in 7 days record time, we had done that, and we had proven it otherwise. So, just one thing also I would request you, like just to add to what sir said. Don't make judgments, don't come to conclusions, come to facts from us, then gave out. A lot of people were making that speculation, so it was rife with speculation. It was people were spinning yarns about, and that is not right. People who have gone to the extreme, we have taken up cases.